Every retiree hears it sooner or later. Oh, you're retired now, so you must have nothing to do. Or maybe it's, hey, can you help me with this, that, or the other thing? Retirement might seem like freedom, but remember, it's not open season on your time. Your time, your energy, your life, they're still your most valuable assets. Today, we're going to talk about setting boundaries in retirement, how to protect your schedule, preserve your freedom, and make sure your days reflect what you want them to. And hey, if this sounds useful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming retirement navigation tips. Let's look at the myth of unlimited free time. Here's the truth. Most people don't realize it, but retirement doesn't mean endless free time. Research shows that retirees lose roughly 2 hours a day of structured work time. That is, time spent commuting, attending meetings, working on deadlines, or otherwise following a set work schedule. But most of that time doesn't stay empty. It gets replaced by chores, screen time, and even extra sleep. Only a portion is truly discretionary, and you get to choose how to use it or give it away. For example, a retiree who used to commute and work from 9 to 5 might now spend the morning on grocery shopping, the afternoon reading or catching up on emails, and early evening watching TV. Their freed up work time is gone, but their day is still full. Personally, I had all kinds of ideas for retirement about reading, catching up on shows and movies I wanted to watch, but I found I've filled my days with other things I want to do. I don't miss the reading and the watching of TV. I'm using my time the way I want to use it. So your friends and relatives might assume you have all day to help, but if you don't set boundaries, your calendar gets filled up with their priorities, not yours. And that is where frustration sneaks in. Here's a coaching moment. Think of your time like a bank account. You decide what to spend it on. You wouldn't give away your savings randomly, right? Treat your time with the same respect. Now, here's why boundaries matter. Boundaries in retirement matter because of your health, your identity, and your relationships. When it comes to health, retirees can become more sedentary, especially if they fill their days with errands or obligations for others. Protecting your energy is protecting your body. And your identity. Your sense of self doesn't retire. Saying yes to everything means living someone else's life instead of yours. And relationships. Here's the paradox. Setting boundaries actually strengthens relationships. When you constantly give away your time, resentment builds in you. Saying no when you need to allows you to say yes when it truly counts. And here's another coaching moment. I like to remind people that saying no doesn't make you unkind, it makes you intentional. Intentionality is the superpower of retirement. Numbers make this real. When people retire, they lose about 122 minutes a day of structured work time. Chores increase by 55 minutes per day, screen time rises by 32 minutes per day, and sleep and quiet personal time go up by roughly 30 minutes per day. Even with all this, over 40% of retirees report feeling busier than when they worked. Your time doesn't magically stretch. Protecting it is critical. Another coaching moment. Here's a simple exercise. For a week, keep a time journal and track how you spend your day. You might be surprised how much time slips away without a plan. Awareness is the first step to setting healthy boundaries. And if you don't think you have the time to do that, you're probably losing time other places as well. Now let's look at a potential real life example. Hey, since you're retired now, could you help me repair my deck Wednesday morning? I figure you got lots of free time. The retiree says, I get why you'd think that, but I actually have my painting class that morning. Retirement isn't empty space, it's when I finally get to do the things I've been waiting to do for years. I'd be happy to help you another time, though. How about we look at a different day? And your friend might respond, Oh, I didn't realize you were that busy. And you can say, I'm busy in a good way. I'm protecting my time so I can stay healthy and engaged. And that way, when I do help, I can really give you my full attention. Notice that the tone is firm, kind, and clear. Boundaries aren't walls, they're guardrails. They guide others to respect your time without cutting them off. So, where should retirees focus their boundaries? Well, time is an obvious one. Set routines and be deliberate about what you accept. Protect the hours that matter for your personal projects. Set space boundaries. Whether it's your home office, your garden, your workshop, protect your personal spaces. And activity boundaries. You don't have to say yes to every invitation, request, or opportunity. Choose what energizes you. Self care boundaries, rest, health, learning, reflection, they matter more than most people realize. And financial boundaries. Even in retirement, commitments cost. Decide wisely what you want to invest in. Another coaching moment. And let me be clear, I'm not saying you should say no to everything. By all means, help people when you want to and when they really need it. But don't say yes out of guilt or a sense of duty. That's how your time leaks away. Guilt is the biggest boundary buster in retirement. Many retirees feel obligated to help because they're not working anymore. But research shows that retirees who see their remaining time as flexible and valuable adjust better and enjoy higher well being. Remember, saying no is not selfish, it's smart. It's how you ensure your retirement is meaningful, healthful. So, retirement doesn't mean unlimited free time, it means opportunity. Opportunity to do what matters most to you when you want to do it. Protect your schedule, protect your energy, and practice saying no with kindness and clarity. Your time is your most valuable asset. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. I've got more tips coming on how to navigate retirement in ways that keep you energized and fulfilled and truly free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.